Amazon ads seem simple. Run campaigns, use targets, increase budget, and get traffic. But is that enough to truly grow your brand on Amazon profitably? Of course not. That's where I come in. Hi, I'm Damla, a verified and certified Amazon ads expert. I don't just run ads, I design strategies tailored to your business goals. Whether you're launching a new product or scaling your brand, my approach is data-driven, using customer insights to maximize your ROI. With years of experience and successful collaborations with thousands of Amazon brands, I specialize in boosting brand visibility, increasing conversions, maximizing profitability. By aligning your PPC campaigns with your product's growth stage, I help you dominate the market, protect your market share, and build a lasting brand presence on Amazon. Have a look at my portfolio. Let's connect today and take your Amazon business to the next level profitably. I'm looking forward to working with you.